Hello and good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are going to do a walk-around, startup, and a drive video for you on a beautiful, iconic 1964 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Now this beautiful car was built in St. Louis, Missouri at the St. Louis production plant. It features a numbers matching 327 300 horse V8 engine under the hood with a 4-speed manual transmission. This beautiful car has had 3 owners the past 45, 50 years, spent the majority of its life in California, then made a trip to Colorado for 15 years, and eventually landed in Arizona, where it was currently owned when we bought the car. The body, paint, and interior in this car are absolutely stunning. This car was rebuilt and restored to GM specifics. There's a big binder of paperwork inside the car that shows all the repair and all the restoration that was done to the car. It is a power steering, a factory power steering, a factory power brake, and a factory air conditioning car. So it's got some rare options on it. It also has factory power windows, knockoff wheels with the wide white wall tires. I don't know if they're wide, but they're white wall tires. You can check it out. Like I say, the body paint on the car are very, very nice. The chrome bumpers are all re-chromed. The stainless trim, all the bright work is beautiful. Just an absolute wonderful example of a 64 mid-year Corvette Coupe. Beautiful wooden steering wheel, 4-speed manual gearbox. Binder full of paperwork in there. Lots of receipts and invoices in this package. Nice little binder. Like I say, the body panel fitment's very nice. I've had a lot of these cars, and this one here is probably one of my favorites. It starts great, it runs great, just an absolute stunning car. The dash is in great shape. Very, very nice, nicely built car. It has been converted to the 134 Freon. headlight indicator, left turn, right turn, horn, blower motor. Radio works. Not working right this second is the wipers. They were working, so car sounds great. I don't know why, but that headlight comes up, this one is not coming up. I didn't hold the button in long enough to get enough vacuum to it. We'll get that fixed if there's something wrong with that. What a nice car though, holy cow. Just like you would expect a real 60s muscle car. Don't she sound good? Whew. I love this car. Take her out for a spin. I don't think I pushed the button down far enough to close the other headlight either. Where are you at? There we go. I'll show you that it actually closed. There you go. Turn signals work up front and back. The only thing I gotta look at is that left headlight. Hey, I drove this thing at night here a while back and they were just perfect, so I can't imagine there's a whole lot wrong with that. Just a spectacular car. Transmission shifts very smooth. Clutch works great. Get out and do a little walk around with you here quick on the outside, and then we'll head back to the shop. What a beauty. No surprises on this car. Paint, like I say, the paint, the body, the interior looks better in person than what the videos or pictures will even show you. This is just a gorgeous car. Power, fun to drive, first, second, third gear rubber. No, I wasn't beating on it, just nice running, nice driving car. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Give us a call today, check out our website, KinionAuto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N Auto.com. Really appreciate all our YouTube subscribers. If you have not subscribed already, please do so by hitting the like and the subscribe button. We'd really appreciate that. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll be back at you here real soon with a few more great collector cars. Have a great day, everyone.